how to divide numbers in Excel. Let's get started. To begin, it's essential to understand that there are various methods for division in Excel, some of which are more advanced. However, we'll focus on the fundamental and straightforward approach of dividing two numbers within a table. We'll use a sample table to illustrate the step-by-step process. In columns A and B, you'll find the numbers we'll work with. With the help of any easy formula, we'll divide these numbers and the results will appear in column C. To start, select the cell where you want the result to be displayed. Let's choose cell C2 for our first calculation. Now, locate the equal symbol and press it. This signals Excel that we intend to put a formula into the cell. Next, click on the cell containing the first number to be divided. In this case, it's cell A2. Once you've selected the cell, you'll notice that another part of the formula appears after the equal sign, which is the cell reference A2. Now, we need to insert the mathematical operation symbol for division, which is the /. After that, click on the cell containing the divisor, which is B2. So, what we've just done is instruct Excel to divide the number in cell A2 by the number in cell B2. Press Enter. And you're done. The result will be instantly calculated and displayed. You can follow similar steps to perform addition, subtraction, or multiplication in Excel. For more detailed tutorials on this calculation, you can explore separate guides. But wait, there's more. Here's a helpful tip just for you. If you need to divide the numbers in rows 3 and 4, click on the cell that contains the formula we've just created, which is cell C2. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small cross symbol. Then use the left click to drag the formula down through the remaining rows. And there you have it. Great work! You've successfully divided the numbers in all 3 rows.